Hey guys, this is Darron. You're about to watch a video from my full stack React Native course on Udemy. The course has a total of 5 projects ranging from beginner to expert. You will learn everything from styling to Redux to Node.js to Mongo Atlas to authentication. I am posting half of each project on YouTube. And if you like what you see, you can view the rest of the course on Udemy. And make sure you use the promo code GeekMODE. Take care. All right, guys, now let's get started. Within your project folder, we're going to create our source directory. Within our source directory, we're going to create our components folder, our containers folder, and our lib folder. All right. Within our lib folder, the first file we're going to create is our globals.js. Type in modal.exports. Set that equal to an object. Within our object, we're going to have our colors key. We're going to set up our primary color, 005679. Our secondary color, 89C6E1. Our accent color, 0F9DC8. Next, our background color, F4F4F6. Our bar color, 4E4D52. Our text color, 4E4E55. Our header text color, which will be white. And our link color, 48E9D9. Beneath our colors, let's create our common styles. We're going to have a text style, which will have the color, hash, E5, DB, DA. The font family of Helvetica Neue. Awesome. Now that we're done with our globals file, let's create our data file. Our data file will contain dummy data that we'll use for the beginning of our application. Type in export const articles, set it equal to an array of objects. Within our object, we're going to have a title key, an image URL key, a description key, a date key, an author key, and a URL key. I'm a big ARC fan, so I'm going to go ahead and just name our title ARC Survival Extinct. Image URL. You guys can do the same. Name the title whatever you like. And the image, I'm going to grab an image from Google. So okay, paste the image there. Description. ARC is a awesome video game. You are missing out if you haven't played. These double quotes here. All right, date. Type in new, date, author. Just gonna type in my name and the URL. Go back to Google. Just copy this URL. You guys can use whatever information you'd like for this part. I'm going to go ahead and copy this object and paste it below. Do that about 4 times, 4 objects. All right, cool. So we created our globals and our data in this video. In our next video, we'll start building our components.